When it comes to work, we all work differently. But if there's one thing we can agree on, is that business is better when it keeps on moving. When advanced technology helps you push forward with confidence. When thoughtful solutions make tasks more seamless, no matter where you are. And when critical aspects are secure, so you're always on track for success. All while keeping sustainability part of the process, every step of the way. Because when you're confident in what you're doing, you can make all the right moves. And when everything works the way it should, that's when you can make business move.
Canon, delighting you always.